Urvi Dedia is a Mumbai-based athlete who has recently represented India in Asian International Games for javelin throw and shot put. The journey towards victory has been a total roller coaster ride. With the passion to prove to the world and eyes full of dreams, she finally conquered the world. All these years have been an adventure, and she is living her life with full of enthusiasm. Along with sports, she is also pursuing her career in law and also preparing herself for competitive exam. She is not only bound to one single sport, but she also plays basketball and netball at national level. She wouldn't have come this far without the support of her family and friends. She'll be stepping such stones throughout her life. For her, sports is not just a sport, but a way of expressing herself. Welcoming our last guest for part 2 Glory, athlete Urvi Dedia.
Hi Urvi. So we start with the interview questions. Not many people know, but you are an amazing basketball player, just like you are a great athlete. How did you end up getting into javelin and shot put while also playing basketball? And how do you divide your time among the four sports that you play?
So the journey started when I was in 10th standard. I was into team sports. So my mom was like, okay, करो एक individual sport होना चाहिए. So I tried different sports like jump rope and everything, but उसमें नहीं हुआ अच्छा. So I tried javelin throw and shot put. So javelin throw में I started from the school level. Schools में sports day होता है, वहाँ से हुआ start. javelin अच्छा पकड़ा, वो सब हुआ. Then I thought कि let's give it a chance, एक training करके देखते हैं. Then I started the training for that. I went for states, nationals, and I thought that okay fine, just go in the future for javelin throw and shot put. So then I decided that I'll go for shot put and javelin. And dividing the sports is like it is alternate days. Monday, Wednesday, Friday I go for basketball, and other 3 days I give it for javelin throw and shot put.
Okay, so you're playing all the three sports like continuously
Continuously, like full week का schedule is that only Monday, Wednesday, Friday basketball, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday javelin and shot put, and then Sunday gym.
Oh, your life is really fun. Actually hectic, but it is fun for you because you like doing it.
Yes.
So did you start with basketball first and
Yeah.
then into javelin?
Yes, I started playing basketball when I was in 2nd standard.
Oh, wow. Amazing. So, any victories incomplete without the bruises? Did you face any difficulties or any kind of injury throughout your journey, and how did you cope up with it?
Okay, so recently in Jan I had my shoulder surgery, and I was like, okay, nahi hoga, I won't be able to play javelin or any kind of sports. So I just gave up. But then my coach, he just came up, was like, no, you have to do it. There's a competition coming up. You have to. And seriously, like on my body, there are so many marks. Like idhar giri hu, wahan giri hu, sab jagah pe wahi hai. All my body parts are injured totally.
But then still you went up for the tournament
Yes.
and you won it.
Yes.
So playing 4 sports would definitely need a high fitness level. So how do you manage your diet, work, and also your studies? Like you're practicing law, so that is also it also requires a lot of time. So
Diet में there is nothing specific. I eat everything. No specific diet कि यही खाना है, ये नहीं खाना है. I eat everything and बाकी कुछ नहीं है. बाकी सब normal ही होता है. कुछ ज़्यादा
just
नहीं.
stick to the training, whatever
Yeah.
plan the coaches give and everything.
Fitness is like you give your 100% on the court. Just give whatever you have. Like जितना energy है, पूरा बचा हुआ भी है. You just have to give it on the court. घर पे कुछ energy लेके ही नहीं जाना है. That is it.
So, what were your feelings representing India at Asian International Games, and how was your journey up to it? Like, how did it started? How did you know like there's a tournament and you are representing India? And
So this started last year before the lockdown. I had my selections for my basketball tournament. So
Okay.
I just came to know कि वहाँ पे javelin throw और shot put का भी चल रहा है. By the way, athletes का भी एक अलग हो रहा है. So I thought I just called up my coach कि sir can I give it a try? So he's like okay just go give it a try.
Yeah.
क्या होता है देखते हैं. I went वहाँ पे selection हुआ. वहाँ पे भी I came first, gold medal. So I was happy कि चलो finally हो रहा है. Then उसके बाद lockdown का period आया. I was not able to do my fitness, no coaching, nothing. I was irritated पूरा lockdown में कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. देन वंस थोड़ा थोड़ा लॉकडाउन खुलना चालू हुआ, उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग जैसे स्टार्ट हुआ वैसे स्टार्ट होने लगा. देन आई गॉट अ कॉल इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर कि आई एम selected for India and I have to go to Nepal to play this tournament. I was happy. I was on cloud nine कि finally I'm like it was like getting butterflies कि इतना मेहनत करने के बाद you're getting it. And एक दो दिन ट्रेनिंग हुआ, then मेरा शोल्डर डिसलोकेट हुआ and then at that point of time I was like नहीं, अब नहीं, इतना दूर आके इतना सब मेहनत किया, अब नहीं छोड़ना. Then January में I had to do my surgery. Doctor said कि 6 months तो you won't be able to play, but then I was like no, I have to play because ये chance नहीं आता है बार बार. I have to play anyhow. 2 months first after the surgery, 1 month में I started my physio. I used to be behind my physio. I have to play. I have to play. Just do my exercises on time. Give me TheraBands का so whatever it was. Doctor was also shocked. And I was like, okay, ठीक है, खेलना है मेरे को. Then September में finally I was healed, back to the field and you know जब track पे होना होता है that javelin पकड़ के 1-2 महीना javelin मेरे को हाथ में नहीं दिया because नहीं होता था वो खेलने के लिए. तो 1-2 महीना तो दिया ही नहीं. कोच भी he was behind weights and everything.
Correct.
तो finally अगस्त में मेरे को हुआ तो he gave me करके चलो ठीक है तुम javelin से practice करो अब फिर देखते. Then September में I got the race की 22 September को I have to leave from here. Then I started my full work hard like इतना जोर से कि like खेलना है तो जीत के ही आना है.
And you actually achieved it.
Yeah, but then before the competition Monday I was so nervous कि नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा because मेरे से भी better players are there over there. And what am I going to do over there? What I was really like नहीं होगा. I am going to give it up. Then my mom, my friends, they were behind me, calling me, nahi, you can do it, you can do it. It's okay. I did it.
And you did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be a really proud moment, not for just you, but your family, friends who have supported you throughout your journey.
Yeah.
So it was, it's really nice getting to know about your journey. So we have a fun section here.
Okay.
So the next section here which we have is this or that. So you have 2 choices. You have to choose between the choices.
Okay.
So Asian International Games or Commonwealth Games.
Commonwealth Games.
You planning for that?
Yeah, I'm planning for it.
Okay, go for it. Then it is solo sport or team sport.
I actually prefer solo sports, but then somewhere down the line I think no, I want a team game also by
Are you a team player or you like to take everybody ahead?
I like to take everybody ahead with me.
Javelin or shot put?
Javelin.
Basketball or athletics?
Basketball.
So still basketball has the heart, but then this is giving you the glory again. Pineapple on pizza or ketchup on pizza?
Actually, I don't like pizza, but
Oh, you don't like pizza?
No, I hate pizza. So
what
I
other
go
thing you
with, I like pastas, white sauce pasta.
White sauce. Okay. Music or podcast?
Music.
Money or fame?
Fame.
Junk food or healthy food?
Junk food.
Past or future?
Future.
Looking forward to
Yeah.
it. Yeah, so it was a nice this or that rapid fire type of thing. So we have one more thing. So here's the whisper challenge. We'll give you headphones, earphones, and you have to guess what I'm saying.
Okay.
So yeah. So music. Can you hear anything or not?
No, I can't.
You can't hear, right?
Wait.
I can also hear you.
Okay.
So first thing is discipline is the key. Discipline is the key.
Discipline
Is the key.
is the
Key.
again repeat it.
Discipline is the key.
Discipline is the pain.
Discipline is the key.
Discipline is the
Key.
thing.
Key.
Thing.
Key.
Again.
Discipline is the key.
Discipline is healthy.
Discipline is the key. Key.
Discipline is the key.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the next one is walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie.
Again.
Walkie-talkie.
What is
Walkie-talkie.
wanting?
Walkie.
Wanting.
Walkie.
Wanting.
Walkie.
Body.
Walkie-talkie.
Talking.
Walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
Okay.
So next one is call the shots.
What a choice.
Call the shots.
All the
Call
call.
the
Call the
shots.
call the
Shots.
again.
Call the shots.
Call the shots.
Yeah.
Call the shots. Okay.
Jump for joy. Jump for joy.
Again.
Jump for joy.
Jump.
For
Jump for
joy.
the
Joy.
jump for the
Jump for joy.
jump to
Jump for joy.
jump to
Jump for joy.
jump for the
Joy. Joy.
jogging
Joy.
jolly
Joy.
jogging jolly. Go on.
Jump for joy. Jump for joy.
Jump for joy.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Okay. So finally, it was really nice. Okay, we have one more. Yeah, so we have one more. Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin
Spice latte.
spicy.
Spice latte.
Pumpkin spy.
Pumpkin spice
Spice
latte.
it.
Latte.
Pumpkin spice
Latte.
it.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Really difficult.
Pumpkin spice latte. Latte.
Something
Latte. 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 Pumpkin spice latte.
something
Pumpkin
spice spicy.
latte.
Latin
Latte.
Latin
Latte.
latte.
Yeah, perfect.
Latte.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin
Spice
spice latte.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Man demand, which song is going on?
Yeah. Which song is going on?
Sorry.
Which song is going on?
Oh shit, I forgot the song also. Nagin gin gin gin. Yeah.
So yeah, it was really nice talking to you. One last thing.
Yeah, you can remove it. Remove no.
Yeah, yeah.
No, because the song is still on.
So one last thing, one message that you would like to give to the audience and your future plans. Like you will look forward with, as you said, you mentioned about Commonwealth Games. So what are your future plans?
So I am basically now training for the upcoming tournaments for javelin throw as well as basketball. I'll be representing India too soon again for javelin throw.
Wow.
Maybe. I'm not sure, but I'm working too hard for it. Apart from this, I'm working hard for my career as well because सिर्फ sports से कुछ नहीं होता. We need to study as well. So yeah, that's what it is.
And any message to the viewers, like those who have just started playing sport, or since as basketball, you said mentioned about basketball, India does not have a good basketball team to play at a good level. So anything about that?
So like to the people who just started playing, like just entered into the
Yeah.
sports life, there are many things going to come up. You might be feeling कि नहीं give up करना है, I can't do it, I have to give it up. But still you just have to do it, you have to give your 100% in it until and unless you get that 1% success. 100% you give it on your field and you just get 1% of the outcome that you get it. So you just have to work hard on it. And for the Indian basketball team, there is currently a team, like my seniors are playing into it. So there is an upcoming good team for Indian basketball for girls.
Okay, so
I don't know about boys, but girls के लिए there is a good upcoming team.
So we are expecting you to play in that.
Too soon, I'll be there.
Too
But
soon,
I
yeah.
am working hard. I'll be there. Not now, but maybe in few upcoming years.
Yeah. All the best for all your plans, basketball, javelin throw, and also all the best for representing India. And congratulations on winning gold medal.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.